World Top 5 Century-Old He. There is no end in progress or evolution. We shoulder heavy responsibility and will build He a world-class enterprise with global competitiveness. We are proud of the prints we left behind and confident about the wonderful future. With modesty and openness, we will demonstrate to the world the tolerance and responsibility of a great country.
Hello everyone, welcome to He Live Show. I'm Yan from He Overseas Marketing Department. It's great to meet you here again. Today is He first live show of the 101st online Canton Fair. But this is not the first time for He to do the live broadcasting event. In the previous ones, we introduced He Factory, He Intelligent Manufacturing and R&D Technology, He Full Range Product, and He's Attachment Products. We believe some of you already know what He can do and are familiar with He's material handling equipment. Okay, no more chit-chat. Let's start by watching a video. This video will take you to find out who He is and what each of the four letters HELI stand for. So let's go. Welcome back. After watching this video, I believe you understand He more. He was established in 1958. As a manufacturing company, He has been deeply dedicated to the field of industry vehicles for more than 60 years, and He developed steadily. In the future, He will focus on the R&D and layout of electrification, systemization and intelligence, accelerate the innovation drive, and speed up the pace of He's high-quality development. Okay, talking about today's new product show, we're going to show you two of He's new lithium products. They are both on G2 series. On my left side is 1.5 to 1.8 lithium power forklift. The right model is 1.6 to 2-ton lithium power retract with 80 volts. Now, I'd like to invite my colleague, our engineer, Mr. Jack Wu, to introduce the two more new models.
Hello.
Hi, Jack. Nice to see you, and it's happy to invite you to join us today.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. I'm Jack Wu from He Import and Export Company. It's my pleasure to be here to participate in the He show.
Okay, so Jack, the audience can't wait. We start to show the new product. I heard the lithium battery has several advantages, so can you tell us?
Yes. Lithium battery is more and more popular in electric forklift market due to long service life, fast charging, free maintenance, and no pollution to environment. It is estimated that the lithium battery forklift will account for 50% in Class 1 truck this year. For Heli, we use lithium iron phosphate as material. It is the most safe lithium battery until now.
Sounds great. So let's say more detail about the new models. First, we'll show you the new G2 series 1.5 lithium power forklift. I believe you in front of the TV are already familiar with this model on 2 to 3.5 ton. And Jack, you worked in Heli Overseas Company for several years. I believe there are many positive feedback from the market for this model, right?
Yes. In 2021, Heli launched the G2 series 2 to 3.5 ton lithium battery forklift in the market. It has sold more than 6,000 units in the last year. This year, we continue to launch 1.5 to 1.8 ton models on G2 series platform. As we all know, there are 3 different platforms for traditional electric forklift, forklift.
Yes.
1.5 to 1.8 ton,
Yes.
2 to 2.5 ton, and 3 to 3.5 ton. So many similar new parts are derived just for different sizes. However, G2 series 1.5 to 1.8 ton adopt modularity and universal design method.
Yeah, that's really smart. Can we say some components and specification is compatible on this model and also on 2 to 3.5 model?
Of course, we can see the overhead guard, hood, the floorboard, and the instrument panel. All of these parts are same to 2 to 3.5 ton. Meanwhile, the operating space is as large as 2 to 3.5 ton. So next, I will invite my colleague to show this advantage. He is over 1.8 meters tall.
Yeah, I can find the space over the head and the space under the foot is quite large.
Yes, that's good and comfortable for drivers.
Yeah, very nice. So thank you for assistance. Okay, let's focus on the performance. We know 2 to 3.5 lithium battery is very strong. It can be comparable to the IC forklift. And
Yeah.
how about this smaller one?
Yeah, 1.5 to 1.8 models still keeps good performance. These models also have H, M, and S,
Yes.
3 configuration to meet various demands. For high-level type, the maximum traveling speed can reach to 20 kilometers per hour,
Yes.
and lifting speed up to 600 millimeters per second. So it can compete with international leading brand. In addition, optimize the power transmission and the hydraulic systems makes this truck saving more energy and lasting longer.
Okay, good. So I can understand we have 3 configuration, H, M, S, to
Yeah.
meet different customer demands. So it will have a good adaptability. And the optimization ensures the durability and reliability, right?
Yes. Now let's see some details about this truck. So for the whole truck, some practical configuration are equipped, such as the steering wheel starting, turning speed limitation, and much lower buffering. It also adopts colorful meters. We can see this is a colorful meters. These meters can display many useful information, such as battery capacity, driving speed, and the position of the rear tail. And we can see this is a USB connector. This connector is convenient for drivers to charge their mobile phone. So at the backward of the overhead guard, we can see there is a rear handle with horn function. It's easy for drivers to go backward. So also some other optional device like rear view camera, monitor, blue light also can be chosen.
Yes, that's very nice. So let's know more about this track from a video. Welcome back. Now, Heli G2 series lithium forklift has a complete product range from 1.5 to 3.5 ton. It can be applied for indoor and outdoor scenarios such as cold chain industries, beer brewing, furniture warehouses, and automotive industry.
Yeah. Moreover, for some light working conditions, customers can choose the built-in charger as an option. It's available to use 220 watt silver power instead of 380 watt industrial power.
Yeah, and next, after that, we will show you the G2 series 1.6 lithium power retrack, which is a high-performance professional lithium battery retrack. The retrack combines the advantages of the counterbalance electric forklift and stacker. It is one of the most common use model for indoor things, such as the warehouses, factories, and logistics distribution centers. It can be classified into sit-down type and stand-down type. Today, we will show you this sit-down type. It's new. First of all, let's watch a video. Hello again. The G2 retrack is already on the market for several years. And Jack, can you let us know how different this new model is from the previous models?
Okay, compared with the existing models, this new truck equips an 80 watt lithium battery, so it has a stronger power. The driving speed can reach to 14 kilometers per hour, and the lifting speed up to 600 millimeters per second. So it means for this truck, it have a higher working efficiency. There are two kinds of tonnage, 1.6 ton and 2 ton. For this model, it is 1.6 ton. And for 2 ton models, the maximum lifting height can reach to 12.5 meters.
Really, 12.5 meters, that's
Yeah.
really high.
Yeah.
And how about the stability on the high position?
Yeah. With the help of the fork tilt device, we can see this is a fork tilt device. The cylinder drives the fork carriage to move tilting forward and backward. So by using this fork tilting device,
Yes.
the whole truck have a good load capacity. For example,
Yes.
the 2 ton modules can lift 1.6 ton at 8 meters.
Yeah, that's really strong.
Yeah.
And can you show us more detail for this model?
No problem. So let's see about this truck. We can see the whole truck have a compact truck body. So it means the turning radius is smaller. It is convenient for a driver to use a truck in the narrow working condition. Also, the whole truck made some ergonomic design, like a low stem handle, and the adjustable seat. It can move forward and backward. And this is elbow support. This device is helpful to the drivers. And for this truck, it's standard 4 pieces of valve, and we also equipped some switch operating lever. And for this truck, it also equips the EPS steering. Now, let's see more about the displayer. You can see we use the ZRP displayer. It can show the driving speed and lifting height, and also can show some error code and the position of the driving wheel. So let's show about some hydraulic function. So next we are seeing about the fork tilting. Yeah, and also this truck can have the side shift function. So in order to improve the front view, improve the operating view, this truck equipped a wide view mast and also made some special design on the overhead guard.
Yeah, so all this configuration makes the driver with a more comfortable driving experience.
Yes.
Okay, so this model have many good design and very smart. So I believe it's a very intelligent function inside this model.
Yes, Heli pays more attention to the safety. For this truck, the standard steering deceleration is useful to prevent the tip over in the circular lane. Automatic parking ensures a truck will not slip in the ramp. There is a safety panel. We can see this blank panel is a safety panel. When you want to drive this car, you must press this panel. And when you release the panel, the operation will automatically stop. Also for this truck, we can see it equips the blue light and LED warning light. It is also used for configuration to avoid accident.
Great. So it equips many intelligent system,
Yeah.
an intelligent system, intelligent function and intelligent system. So the controller system must be very high performance and also intelligent.
Yes, for this truck, it adopts the high precise gyro controller and the gyro indicator. Lifting height pre-selection is also can be equipped as options. It is helpful to improve the working efficiency.
Yeah, really nice. I remember this is a lithium battery forklift, right?
Yeah.
And I believe it has also all the advantages from the lithium battery.
Yeah, for these new models, we equipped the 80-watt lithium battery. It is free maintenance and easy to change. So the maintainability is
Very
good
easy.
for this model.
It's easy to do the maintenance.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's about this new track.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And very impressive. Thanks, Jack, for this detailed presentation.
Yeah, my pleasure. The two models are both from the Heli lithium-powered product range. Time is not enough to fully present their superiority. If you need any further information, please contact your local Heli distributor and sales manager. We will provide you with professional and attentive service.
And time flies. Today's live show will come to the end. Today is the first Heli live show for 131st online Canton Fair. In the next days, four live shows, and you will see the schedule on the screen. We will also update all the information on Heli official social media account. We hope you will follow us, follow Heli. And thank you, Jack. Thank you for watching. Have a great Friday.
Have a good weekend.
See you next time.